Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $10 every minute using free apps. Now, as you can see here, I'm at my channel and I make a lot of videos, as you can see down here, about making money online. So if you're new to my channel, it'll be beneficial for you right now to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. Also drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, one other thing, I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers. So make sure you type hashtag get your grind on in the comment section so you can get a chance to win that free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. I'm at 2,930, so I'm 70 subscribers away from getting there. And I want to just say, appreciate it, guys. Thank you for watching my videos and thank you for sharing. If you've been sharing my videos, keep doing it and we're going to keep growing, guys. Because you know, you're the family. You're the grind family and we're going to keep going, guys. All right. One more thing, please watch this video all the way to the very end so you can know all the apps that you need to use to make this $10 every minute today. So let's go ahead and get into it right now. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm at the first app I'm going to talk about here, and I'm in the Google Play Store. Now, these I'm gonna show you two apps, and they're only available on Android. So if you have an Android phone, you'll be able to download these apps. So the name of this app is Clip Claps Daily Video Match. So it says here, Clip Claps values your time. Fill your day with laughter with our viral videos and stay entertained with our in-app games. All of this without ad interruption that we all know and hate. And the cherry on top, you get paid. So we pay you for your time, no ads. Videos will make you laugh, tears of joy guaranteed. We have surprises and rewards for every single day. Exciting daily activities, in-app games that will get you hooked. So what you're going to be doing is, here's some examples right here. They just show you little pictures. So you'll be watching funny videos and earning cash. Let's look at this one. So it has some examples of the little funny videos you're going to be seeing. Let's look at another one. It's going to be something like this. Somebody sliding. And best of all, for each one you look at, you're going to be earning some money. Like this one got 25 cents PayPal money. So you got to have a PayPal account. Now, let's just look at the rating right quick. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.4. Like I always said, that if it's over 4 stars on the rating, it's a very, very good app. Now, let's just look at one of the reviews here. This person named Lorenzo says, "Hi, the app is good and the days I spent with it," he didn't spell spent right, spent with it is worth it. Though my second withdrawal is yet to come, so he already withdrawed once. The mini games are also good to spend time with. The only problem I encountered was that after a few days of with rest, of course. I don't understand what he's saying right there. I can't gain any chest from browsing and watching videos. But anyway, I couldn't understand everything he was saying, but he likes this app, and he's made some money also from this app. Now, the next app I'm going to show you is going to coincide with this app, and it's going to help you make a lot of money, help you make that $10 every minute. So let me go to that app right now. But to go ahead and get started with this app, go to the Google Play Store and look for Clip Apps Daily Video Match. Now let me go to the next app. Okay, I'm at the next app, and the name of this app is Auto Clicker, Automatic Tap. So what this app does is it's going to click for you. So on the other app, you're going to be clicking to watch videos. This app is going to do it for you. So you can set it up where it's going to click on a video and watch, and you'll be able to watch it. So you don't even have to be around to look at the video. This auto clicker going to do it on its own. So it says here, auto clicker helps you do repeated taps at any location with any interval you specify. Auto clicker does not require root access. Have a floating control panel to start, stop the automatic tap. So it's great for clicking games. So the feature right here is the friendly user interface, support multiple click points, have a global timer that runs and can import and export automatic strips. And you'll find out all that once you download this app. Now, I have a video right here that kind of shows you how it works, so I'll just click on it right quick. So this person went ahead and downloaded the app, and they're just showing you what you got to do to set it up. It's 2 minutes long. I'm not going to go through the whole thing here. Let me speed it up. Okay, now he has the auto clicker, and he set it up where it can just auto click something on that app. Let's see what else. So you set it up where it automatically does, I guess right there. You can do it. Delay time before the next click. Oh, okay. So I guess what you can do, let me go ahead and stop it. I understand how it works. So what you can do is do on the settings. So like if you're watching a video and the video lasts 2 minutes, you can set it where it will click that first time and then wait 2 minutes to click again because another video will pop up. So that's pretty neat. And it has more things right here, just show you easy to use, single target mode, multiple targets. So that's pretty unique. And let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. Out of 5 stars is 4.2. That's good. And let's just look at one review. This person right here says, his name is Leo. He says, works exactly expected. The multiple configurations is a nice touch with the ability to switch in the overlay without going back to the app. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And this other person said it's amazing, no glitches or anything, easy to use. So if you want to go ahead and start making this money, just use these 2 apps. Use this app right here to use it for click clap apps and start making that money. All right, that concludes this video. Before you click away, please don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get like 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I talked about today. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet. Because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, again, thank you for your support. I'm almost at 3,000. I really appreciate you guys checking me out and sharing my videos. Let's keep doing it. Let's keep growing. And please drop a creative comment. I know I didn't do any shout outs this video, but if you drop a creative comment, I'm gonna pick a comment that's very creative and shout that person out. It can happen in the next video or the video after next, but you gotta keep watching and make sure you drop that creative comment, and don't forget to drop hashtag get your grind on with that creative comment. All right guys, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.